Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob, and this is a walkthrough video of my buddy Aaron's 2023 F-150 XLT. And before we get started, I'm posting weekly videos for you guys, so I'd really appreciate it if you'd subscribe to my channel for more content. All right, let's get right into it. Aaron, what kind of equipment package did this vehicle have when you bought it, and what is the engine and drivetrain?
My truck comes with a 5.0 V8 10-speed transmission, and it's the 302A package with the bigger entertainment screen versus the 301A.
All right, take it for a test drive.
All right, man, have fun.
I won't burn the tires off. Wow, this thing is really nice. Totally different from my 2015. That is so sick. So you can check your trailer while you're towing. I've always wanted to be able to have some sort of feature like that. It's wild. It shows me the speed limit for the road I'm on. Don't even have to question it.
What do you think? Big upgrade from 2015?
Oh yeah, huge changes since 2015. Very comfortable ride. I feel like we're floating on a cloud. Of course, these are not as aggressive tires as we're used to. Very smooth ride. Now that Aaron loaned us the keys, let's go ahead and do a walk around, and I want to point out to you a few key features that I've noticed on these newer 2023 F-150s. So right off the bat, I noticed these forward mud flaps. This is really cool because with our current truck, we have a problem of anytime we drive through mud puddles, we splash forward and cover like most of our step here. So anytime you're getting out of the truck, it's covered in mud. It's really nice being able to have that added protection to keep your side steps from being covered in mud. I wish Ford would have done this in the older trucks. Really cool. I love these new tailgates as well. Ford has really thought through how people really use their trucks. Oftentimes cutting on the tailgate, so you've got measurements here, you've got areas to put our clamps in, and even a section to set up your phone if you're watching a YouTube video on how to do something. And also, don't forget, on both sides, they've integrated a bottle opener as well for when you want to kick back and have a beer. In my opinion, Ford could have done a lot better here on the antenna. They probably should have just gone ahead with the stubby antenna, maybe something about this tall. It's kind of obnoxious looking, but hey, that's how they do it on the new trucks. This remotely drops the tailgate from the driver's seat, so that way the tailgate's down by the time you get back there.
The key fob also has a remote tailgate release featured.
With the equipment package Aaron selected, it gets this large entertainment screen, which is huge. It takes up the entire dash, it seems like. You got plenty of room and easy to navigate through your settings, different apps, different features of the truck that you can adjust to, like lighting zones and other things. You can even access your owner's manual right here through the screen. That's pretty cool. This also has Apple CarPlay with it as well to be able to play the music you want and easily select it while you're driving.
There are also added safety features for parents reminding them of their little ones. The rear view camera is very clear when paired with the massive screen.
One thing I really like is Ford has raised up their trailer brake controller. It's no longer hidden down the front. With our truck, you gotta lean forward and really put your seat forward to comfortably drive and be able to trailer brake. Since they've raised it up here, this is a much more comfortable driving position to be able to run your trailer brakes. I like that quite a bit. And it looks like they even raised up the Pro Trailer Assist here even higher up and out of the way, so you can run through all your driving modes as well, 4 high, 4 low. The cool thing is when you turn this knob, it's not just putting you in 4 high, but you'll see on the dash it actually changes the driving modes as well. So I can turn through this dial, I can go to normal driving, slippery roads, deep snow and sand. You'll notice it's switching over now to 4 high. Mud and ruts, and that would be 4 low, I'm sure. So we'll switch back over. Let's see here. Got normal driving, tow haul mode, eco mode for around town, and also sport mode. So all of these modes were originally tested through the Raptor and was only available with the Raptor series. So now Ford is rolling these out to all of their F-Series trucks. This isn't even an FX4 trimmer, it's just an XLT line with the base 4x4 package. This is really cool that they're now including this in all of their trucks. With my 2015, all I have is sport mode and tow haul, and then just normal driving.
This equipment package also has the dual climate zone for driver and passenger side, as well as heated seats. Like all previous F-150s, there's loads of storage everywhere.
Sweet truck. So I've noticed that this new truck has the new 10-speed transmission that is in all the Ford trucks. And I have a question to you guys. If anyone has the 10-speed transmission, I'm curious if you've had any issues or problems with it, skipping gears, shifting hard, or just had to replace your transmission or any other issues. Right now we have the 6-speed in our 2015. I know they no longer make the 6-speed. They only put the 10-speed in all of their trucks. Give a shout out. I'm curious if you've had any problems, if you love it, if you hate it, drop a comment below. Aaron, do you tow or haul anything with your truck?
I do tow stuff occasionally, and it's always randomly if I'm doing kind of like yard work or hauling wood or something of that nature. With this trailer I have here, it's actually my dad's trailer, and it's a smaller trailer, but I don't normally haul anything really large, but definitely a few times a year.
Aaron, do you plan to do any upgrades to your truck?
First thing I thought about doing was doing a leveling kit. I also would like a tonneau cover. Obviously, I need to tint the front windows. A lift kit down the road would obviously be something that'd be really cool. Definitely a leveling kit would be the #1 thing, and maybe some different wheels and tires, because everybody has the same wheels. That's probably it that comes to mind.
So Aaron, is there anything you would change about your truck?
The only thing that I really wanted on this truck was I wanted a power slide. I don't have the rear slide window, and the only option at this point would be a manual window. That was kind of the only thing that sometimes you just can't get every feature that you want, but I did wish the XLT came with at least a slide manual window.
Yeah, looks like you have the defroster on the back though.
Yeah, I don't know anything if it's an upgrade or not. One other thing I would change about this truck, well actually two, I wish it had heated mirrors. With all the features that it has on this vehicle, it does not have heated mirrors. And they also don't put an electronic garage door opener within the car that you can program them. So I wish it had those additional features coming with all the tech that it has.
So Aaron, I have one last question for you. Would you buy this truck again?
Yes, I would at this point.
All right, well thanks Aaron for letting us do a walk around and take your vehicle for a spin for this awesome 2023 F-150.
How did you like driving it compared to your 2015 6-speed?
You could tell it's the V8, it's the 5.0. It's really smooth with the 10 speeds. I was surprised how smooth it was shifting through gears. It's not like you could tell that it was shifting. It was just very flawless. It was like floating on a cloud while driving down the road.
That's what I thought when I first test drove on, how quiet it was.
Yeah, I was very surprised. Thanks for watching this walkthrough of the 2023 F-150 XLT. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content. I'm posting weekly videos for you guys.